Ramon is a self-made billionaire, estimated by Forbes to be worth $2.3 billion. The business tycoon is the president and vice chairman of San Miguel, one of the country's oldest conglomerates. As of 2021, Forbes ranked as 9 in the Philippines' 50 richest and 1,444 in billionaires. Ramon is a family man just like any billionaire. Has always kept his personal life private. He is married to his wife Tessie and has 8 children. Currently, Ang's daughter, Cecile, is the president of Diamond Hotel. His son, John Paul, is the CEO of Eagle Cement Corp, while daughter Monique is the treasurer and CFO. Their family went through a very difficult time when Ang's younger son, Umar, passed away April 2020 at the age of 26. He served as chief financial officer of BMW distributor RSA Motors and was also involved in San Miguel Global Power Holdings Inc. At the time of Jomar's passing, the Ang family said in a statement that Umar was a dutiful, loving, and kind-hearted son, brother, and a loyal and dedicated friend to many. He was born in Manila, Philippines on January 14, 1954. His father owned a repair shop for motor vehicles in Tondo, Manila. Ang was a dedicated student who worked odd jobs in order to fund his education and support his family. He graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Engineering in Far Eastern University, FU. He also finished his doctorate degree in the same university. In a speech to his alma mater's 2018 graduating class, he acknowledged that it was his years as a working student when he learned how to do business. As he struggled in his humble life, he was able to develop business skills and lay a solid foundation for long-term success. Importantly, he learned to interact with people from all walks of life. He became sharp in reading and understanding individuals and their motivations and abilities. He knew how to be resilient to adapt to any situation, no matter how difficult, and to make tough decisions based on gut instincts. Ang learned how valuable it was to build long-term relationships with partners, allies, and friends. He acknowledged that these were the key to his success. After college, Ang followed in his father's footsteps and went into the vehicles business. But he took a step further as he focused on fixing and selling luxury automobiles such as Japanese cars. He also traded and sold hard-to-find parts. It was through this business that Ang met the late Eduardo Danding Cuanco when he sold him aluminum wheels. This partnership paved the way for Ang to reach the road to his success. Cuanco, the ZMC owner, believed in Ang's skills that he made him handle his cement enterprise in the north, then known as Northern Cement. Ang didn't disappoint Cuanco's trust as he made Northern Cement a profitable business. His entrepreneurial genius shone and impressed the rest of the Cuanco family. When the Cuanco patriarch had to leave the Philippines following the EDSA revolution, Ang took over and handled the firm very well. Years later, Cuanco returned and appointed Ang as his successor in ZMC, selling him the majority of his shares. ZMC transformed to be one of the Philippines' largest and most diverse conglomerates in terms of revenue and total assets, with sales equivalent to approximately 4% of Philippine GDP in 2020. Food and beverage, packaging, fuel and oil, energy, and infrastructure are among ZMC's 5 key business groups, with the majority of them being market leaders in their respective industries. ZMC also has investments in other businesses such as property development and leasing, cement, automobile distribution, and banking services. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.